Namaste, I am Minnie and welcome to my channel Foodotomic. Today we are making one of my favorite South Indian recipe, lemon rice. It is such an easy and healthy dish that you would want to prepare it every single day. So without further ado, let's get started. These are the list of ingredients we would need to prepare the lemon rice. I have also listed them in the description section. So start by heating a pan and then add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Making sure that the oil is evenly spread. Now once the oil is hot, add 2 teaspoons of mustard seeds. You can also replace mustard seeds with cumin seeds. Once the seed starts to crackle, go ahead and add 3 finely chopped garlic and 1 inch of finely sliced ginger and stir them over medium heat for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add 1 teaspoon of urad dal, which is also known as split and dehusked black gram lentil, and let it cook again for 2 more minutes over low or medium heat. I always prefer to cook this recipe over low or medium heat so the ingredients don't burn. Add 3 dried red chilies. You can either add them as a whole or you can break them in pieces too. Let it cook for a minute. Add 15 to 20 groundnuts to the pan and let them cook for 5 minutes. Once the groundnuts are cooked, go ahead and add half teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix it well with the ingredients. Now add cooked plain rice to the pan. The serving size should be good enough for 2 people. On top of the rice, add 2 teaspoons of salt or salt as per taste and juice of 1 lemon. You can always increase the quantity of lemon juice as per how much tangy you want the rice to be. But juice of 1 lemon should be good enough for this much rice. Now go ahead and mix everything so everything is well combined. You will see the change in color of the rice because of the turmeric powder. So mix it well till you see the white rice turn into a lemon color. Add chopped coriander leaves. The coriander will bring such fresh flavors to the lemon rice. Once everything is mixed well, go ahead and switch off the heat and serve this lemon rice hot. This is a perfect recipe on its own and you do not need a side dish for this. If you like, some green chutney or tomato pickle will go really well with this. This is a perfect lunchbox recipe and can be prepped in a jiffy. It is also perfect for lazy days when you do not want to spend hours and hours in the kitchen. So guys, do try this at home and let me know your feedback in the comment section. So, if you like this recipe, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Foodotomic. If you're still looking for more vegan recipes, Click right here. I'll be back with another interesting vegan recipe. Until then, bye.